Good morning. Good morning. I'm in a friggin' fabulous mood because on my face right now, I've got half my by Terry's Cellular Rose Brightening CC Serum and half a dupe. You guys will have already seen the video, but I'm really pumped for it. They look the same. Woo! Make sure you go watch it. I thought I would start a new vlog today. It is Tuesday. I ended my last renovation vlog, moving vlog, whatever vlog yesterday, and that went live yesterday. So I thought I would start a new one today. This is the state of my living room right now. Love that. I'm honestly just fed up of not having any furniture. My sofa, my love seat and a puff are all coming on the 9th, which isn't too bad. I can get through it. I'm super lucky that I'm being gifted a sofa, so absolutely cannot complain in any way, shape or form. As I was saying, I just filmed that video. I need to do a little bit of tidying. I need to clean my kitchen. I'm gonna film another video first because I'm on a friggin' roll, you guys. I'm on a roll with videos. So today is just a chill day at home, working all day. And then tomorrow I'm seeing some friends. Thursday I'm seeing friends. And then I've got therapy Thursday night. Then I'm driving to Warwick on Thursday night to spend the weekend with Tim. And then Sunday night, I'm seeing Frank Turner with my two best girls, and I'm so excited. So excited. And I might try and get my dad to put the wallpaper up in this vlog because my office is literally filling me with despair. I just think it would make me so much happier. Anyway, this is an absolute classic. I'm just talking to you because I feel like talking. I'm gonna go and talk productively in another video, so I'll see you in a bit. Oh, it is much later in the day now, isn't it? I just went to my dad's, and I always find I go to my dad's house just to like pop in to pick something up, or I don't know, be there. I was expecting to be there literally like 5 minutes because I got a parcel from L'Oreal, and he always just texts me and I go and pick it up whenever something, you know how it works. You go and get something from someone's house. We ended up looking at baby photos. I ended up getting distracted. The sun has now gone down, so I can't finish filming my video, but that is absolutely fine with me because my dad, sorry, I'm gonna shut this door to the room of doom. I'm glad I went because my dad is actually coming to put up the wallpaper tomorrow, so that will be in this vlog. Tomorrow, you guys, this will no longer be a white wall. But I just realised that that also means I need to move this tonight. Fabbo. I think what I might do is aim to get all of these mugs into boxes, because that's just an excuse to be a bit proactive and pre-box, because my pre-boxed mugs are going, and soon I'm gonna have to start boxing as I post, and that's not a time efficient way of doing it, so I'm gonna pre-box all of those tonight. They'll be out of the way. So my dad can wallpaper tomorrow, which I'm really excited about. If you're new here, you may not have seen the wallpaper. It is this gorgeous palm print, kind of cartoony, and it's from a brand called Theloftandus. So Theloftandus are an amazing website that sell handmade wallpaper, such as that, as well as prints. So I thought, while we're on the topic of wallpaper, I'll show you the prints that you guys have asked me so much about. This print here, sorry, my tulips are slowly dying. This print here that loads of you guys were asking me about on my Instagram is actually from Theloftandus. She never looked nice, she looked like art, and art wasn't supposed to look nice, it was supposed to make you feel something. By Rainbow Rowell. This is from a book, it's a quote from a book. I have never read the book, I won't lie to you, but I really like the quote, because that's kind of how I see makeup. Like, not everyone likes how I wear my makeup, not everyone likes what I wear, but for me, my makeup and my outfits are a creative outlet, and it's fun for me, and in a way it's, you know, it's makeup artistry, it is an art form. So I don't know, that just really spoke to me, that like so many people always say, I wish you didn't do that with your makeup, and I wish you wore less of this and more of that, and I'm like, well, at least it's getting a reaction, whether it's positive or negative. I don't care, because at the end of the day it washes off at the end of the day, do you know what I mean? And then I also got this one, which says ladies is pimps too. which I really, really love because ladies is pimps too. They at the moment kind of have pride of place on my mantelpiece. So I will link Theloftandus as well as those prints, as well as my wallpaper. Why aren't you focusing? This is my new camera. I will link Theloftandus and those prints as well as the wallpaper I've selected down below. Complete transparency, they were gifted to me. They've gifted me 2 rolls of the wallpaper. I purchased one of the rolls myself, but they did kindly gift me these 2 pieces of art. So I guess now, following the new ASA guidelines, this is a hashtag ad. So hashtag ad, the lovely people that gifted it to me, but they aren't paying me to talk about it. I guess those are a couple of new in bits. Speaking of new in bits, the reason I started vlogging in the first place is to tell you that the wallpaper's going up tomorrow at 10 AM. So by the end of tomorrow, it's gonna be up, which is gonna be so exciting. When I go to my dad's house, he always gives me things, which is very lovely. We're just gonna ignore the mess, okay? As you guys know, my kind of feature color in my kitchen, I guess you could say, is orange. I love orange. Orange is definitely one of my favorite colors, and lucky for me, my dad used to collect orange Le Creuset. So he's got loads of orange Le Creuset, and now he's painting everything purple, and orange isn't his thing anymore. So I have been gifted some lovely things, which is great. This is the hand-me-down haul. Great. So he gifted me this orange Le Creuset milk jug, or custard, or cream, or gravy, whatever, which is super cute. Love this. And he also very, very generously gifted me a Le Creuset casserole pot thing for all of those soups and casseroles that I make. But I need to start making some because I've got all the gear and no idea now. I just think this is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know where I'm gonna keep it yet, but it's beautiful and it fits right in with my aesthetic, which is obviously the most important thing. He also kindly, ooh, crazy. You can see what I can see. Look how clean that looked. He just cleaned it so it looks like a frigging camera lens. How clear that is. That's madness. He gifted me this mirror. You can see what you're sat on. Say hello to yourself. My sister and her boyfriend got me my bathroom mirror for Christmas, and when I unwrapped it, it was smashed. I'm afraid it came broken in the mail, so they took it back. I'm not sure whether they're getting it for me, but I need a mirror in my bathroom. So this is my stand-in, because I have been washing my face and doing all of my do's with no mirror and going to bed with a lot of eye makeup still on most days. Who's calling me? Let's go take this downstairs. Come on. Still haven't got the carpet on the sofa. What am I on about? On the stairs. But that is the next thing on the agenda. This is gonna have to do. You can only see my crotch and my torso, but I can wash my face like this. But I just need something, because at the moment it's really difficult. Yeah, no change in here at the moment. I can't wait for carpet. I'm gonna end this vlog today and do some editing, but I will see you guys tomorrow for the big day. The big wallpaper reveal. Vlog already, but I just packed all these mugs into boxes, baby. Time for bed. See you tomorrow. Oh, I'm looking good right now. Well, good morning to you. How are we doing? It is the big day. It is the day of the wallpaper. This will now be known as Wallpaper Wednesday. You guys saw that I was packing boxes till late last night. So now these are big boxes full of boxed boxes. Boxed mugs, I mean. Sorry. It was a job I needed to do, but it just... ugh. But it means that this shelf is now completely clear, so me and my dad can move this and he can get on with the wallpaper. He's just gone to get the paste, because it's fancy wallpaper, you need like good adhesive. I love how he's directing this vlog. Last night it was like, so are you gonna like set up the camera and like fast forward it so you can see each strip going on? I was like, yes, Paul, I will. Don't you worry, you'll get your moment in the vlog of you wallpapering. I guess say goodbye to boring white wall, guys. As you can tell, I like a bit of colour, and I'm ready to have amazing palm leaf wallpaper. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. While I wait, I'm gonna make myself some breakfast. Did I empty the dishwasher? Yes. I was so tired last night. I was literally in like a semi-lucid state. I couldn't remember whether I'd done the dishwasher. Well done me. So many clean mugs to choose from. I'm a mug today. You're sat on top of my teapot. Not teapot, you know what I mean. My pot with my tea. Back you go. Sorry to disturb you. Good evening, ladies and gents, boys and girls. I've got something to show you. Da 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 da. It's up. I love it with the skirting board. It makes the coving look so good, you guys. I'm so in love. My dad has done such a good job. It took us a long time. It wasn't the easiest repeat, but he did it. He did all of it by himself. I only helped hold every once in a while, but other than that, he did it el solo. And it looks so frigging good. I'm so happy with it. This is making me like itch to put art up. It looks so good. Thank you, Theloftandus, for kindly gifting me this amazing wallpaper. I'm gonna end this vlog here because it's been really long. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will link the wallpaper and the prints that I showed you yesterday down below. There's plenty more of this to come. So much more to do. Give this video a thumbs up if you like the wallpaper. And yeah, have the best day. I'll see you really soon. Bye.